Okay, so here's where I used to be able to work on stuff, but it's so damn packed I can't do anything. Here's my overflow stuff, Volkswagen tires and some other tires and pallets, and those are all weed eaters under there. Here are my lawnmowers that I don't know why I have so many of them. More lawnmowers, more lawnmowers, more lawnmowers. Oh, more weed eaters. I got a leaf blower there, a leaf blower there. Here's my most recent project. Flip it for just a second. I couldn't really turn it down. It's $50. There's a 74 Beetle. And I think that's an 02 Stratus. 89 Honda Accord. And then we have an 88 Travel Master Pompano. Interior needs to be completely gutted. Outside needs to be redone. 89 Mazda. We got the head over there. There's one of my air tanks I just bought. There's a good lawnmower. There's another lawnmower. There's another lawnmower. This is one of those yard vacuums. Oh, hey, cool, the window's down. There's my something or other year Ford. The dump truck. And the raccoon's been getting into it. So there's that. Freeze plug just blew out of it again. There's some of Alex's bikes that she wanted to work on. Some of her tin that she brought home from a job. And that right there is actually going to be a little tiny flower garden. Once I get time to finish it. Put all the stuff in it, just haven't done it yet. Some yard art here. Looks like somebody was moving it. I don't know why. There's my soon-to-be flatbed. I gotta take out the tip out and take off the tanks and a few other things. There's one of my Suburbans. There's another one of my Suburbans. Another one of my Suburbans. There's a Dodge pickup truck. Runs and dries. Need to do the new deck on it. And then I've got another lawnmower. Alex's trailer. Another lawnmower. And another lawnmower. So, those are my projects that I have on the property. That's cool. All right, bye.